Good evening, everybody. This is Train Lover 123, hashtag Trains Rock. We have 105 coming with the legend on board, Mr. David Shelley, ECH. He is coming down here. He is not exceeding speeds of 40 miles per hour. It was originally 25, but now he's able to go low. He's able to go 25 or higher, but no further than, no higher than the restriction. Awesome! Free engine, 805, 303, something at 716. And a lovely wave and horn show from Mr. ECH, David Shelley. Also, last week, 805 was involved in an accident with on train 206.
I'll tell him. I ain't gonna guarantee he ain't gonna call you. Yeah, I'm gonna try to hear him, but everything goes out here in 5 minutes. By the time you pass me, my order will be dead. Okay, I'll tell him. Now this old boy trying to holler for me and I can't hear him. All right, I'll tell him, but he'll come down looking for your approach board if he can't get you. All right, appreciate that. Like I said, I'll make you that way.
Well, the brake shoes were on, so they were slow and they were applying the brakes a little bit. There goes 105, 805, 303, 807, I reckon, and the 716 SD40-2 Champion Scheme. Anyways, it's been Train Lover 123, hashtag Trains Rock, signing out, and 950 will be next in a little bit. I don't know when, but he'll be here. He's currently stopped at Camp Murphy for Train 105 to pass and meet. So we will be seeing him hopefully in a few minutes. He should be here soon. Train Lover 123 signing out, and thank you very much, Mr. Dave, Mr. ECH, as always.